Alright everyone, what's going on? Back again in today's video. I'll show you guys how to pair the Sony SRS-XB31 Bluetooth speaker to an iPhone XR. And of course this works the same for the XS, XS Max, or basically the iPhone X or X, whatever you guys want to call it. I like calling it XR. So let's get started. So before doing anything with our speaker, let's go ahead and enable the Bluetooth settings for our iPhone here. We'll go to settings, and then we'll go to where it says Bluetooth, and we'll enable the Bluetooth settings from here. So let's go ahead and do that. And that basically turns on the Bluetooth settings. It'll start searching for nearby devices. You'll see devices and it's searching. That usually lasts about a minute to 2 minutes. So while it's doing that, let's get the Sony speaker, the SRS-XB, into pairing mode. So you'll have the entire buttons layout over here to the top, and you'll see the power button, and right under it, it says pairing. So what you're gonna do is first make sure it's off. So if it's currently on, just go ahead and turn that off. And then we're going to go back and long press the same power button here, but don't let go until you hear a female voice prompt that says Bluetooth pairing. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll hold this down and press it and remain holding it.
Bluetooth pairing.
Now once you've heard that, you'll notice that there is now a rapid blinking blue light above the Bluetooth icon here for the Sony SRS-XB31. So once you have done that and seen that, you'll go back to your iPhone here. You'll see SRS-XB31. Tap on that once, and then you'll hear this. You hear that tone sound from the speaker, and then once that's set and done, basically you're fully connected and good to go. So other than that, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.